Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your slides completely for free within NotebookLM. As you know, this is a major update within NotebookLM. Now you can edit your slides. You don't have to work on try to edit it outside of NotebookLM. You can revise it and you can give it a new look, or even change some different aspect of the slides. You can now download and maybe further tweak it the way you want it. So I'm going to show you briefly how you can do the edits, revise a given slides, and then even outside of NotebookLM, I'm going to show you one very good tool that I always use to further edit or tweak my slides before using it on PowerPoint or even presenting it on that particular tool as well. So let's say I have my notebook that I've created on Hoover Dam for student learning packet. I've imported a lot of sources, including video links and even URL from different websites, and I've added some PDF documents, and together they made this source. And I've created a very simple PowerPoint presentation like you've seen, the Hoover Dam and all of its features. I've created about 10 different slides from this automatically, which is done with the help of this. Okay, all you need is just to come to slide deck, and then you can select and define what kind of slide you are trying to create. My own case is presentable slides, and then language, the shorter or default, you can select, and then you can describe however you want it, the direction you want it to go in terms of the content and the overall structure of the slides. So I've just created one, and this is it, this particular one. I want to show you the basic upgrade that they have given to NotebookLM that is really changing the narrative, which is this revise feature. So once you click on this revise feature, you'll be able to see the revise change slide box over here. You can give your revision directly, and maybe I can say use a more recent picture in here. Okay, and the best part is that the slide that you are editing, you'll be able to see it colored this blue. Okay, so I'm on it now. You can see I've edited this particular slide and remove the text underneath. I remove the text underneath the Hoover Dam. Okay, so this is my correction for this particular slide. So I want to quickly move to the next one, and you can see I can now see this is okay for me. And this one also, we can say replace the image with an engineer working on the site. Okay, so I think this is fine, and go to the next one. I can say replace the drone with a very modern chart. Okay, something like that, the movement of the river. And let's see, we can go to another one, maybe this one. I think this is fine. Oh, we can make the background lighter. Okay, and then you can edit as many fields as you want depending on your choice. This is the turbines or generators. Let's see, we can say, can you make the images modern? Yeah, so see now that we have make some changes, also very okay, but we can see make the image more relevant to the subject. Okay, so we have these different touches or different revisions. You can see for all the slides that we have revised, you can see them highlighted in the yellow color, in the blue color. Now another good thing is that you can see the pending changes in here, and you can click to be able to see which of the slides that you have edited. You can see slide 8, slide 7, slide 5, 4, 3, and 1. These are the slides that we have selected that we want to edit, and you can clear all if you're interested. So you have to be very, very specific and clear about what you want edited, because you can only do this on the free plan, I think only 3 times. Okay, so let's go ahead and say click on revise, generate revise deck in here, and it's going to take in those corrections or those inputs that we have given it, and then give us a revised version. So let's just give this some seconds, and then we can return back and see what it has done for us. All right, so you can see it has finished the generation. So let us just go ahead and see what it has created. And you can see, as I make it more modern, and it has changed the entire thing and even made the write-up even much better on the modern picture. And it has removed that picture, that text that I have under the dam, which is very, very, very interesting. And you can see the next one. I think this one was better, and I asked this one to change it to put an engineer on site, which is very much done, and I think this is much better. And then you can have this one. I said replace it with a chart, and you can see the moving river. Everything is now transformed. And then I said this was okay. Should make this a bit lighter and change the background for this and make this image a bit modern. And you can see it has made the image completely modern. 17 main turbines, and this is really interesting. And as you can see, it has given us exactly what we want. Let it make this background of this, I think, much better, and it has just done that. So it has given us the revision that we need exactly. Now another feature that NotebookLM has brought in is the fact that you can download with these three dots. You can click and download in PDF, and alternatively you can download in PPT as well, which is what I'm going to do for this. And then we can use the next tool to kind of do some tweaks and then finalize what to do. So as you can see here, it has finished the download, and I can now open it directly on my PowerPoint. So I can just double click and open it on PowerPoint. You can see very neatly created. Now the best part of this is that you can see you can navigate, you can make your presentations in here within PowerPoint. The only thing is that you cannot still edit some of the features in here. Like we have the text. If you need to make some edits or remove some sections or change some fonts or add or remove some section of the text, you cannot. So that's when I'm employing my next tool, which is Canva. So I can go to canva.com, and then from in here I can be able to now upload my slide that I have just created. You can do that directly from here. You can drag and drop it in here, and it's going to upload, and then you can proceed with your edits and carry out some of the basic things that you need to carry out. And as you can see, it has finished the upload, so I can just click to visualize and possibly make some edits to my slide. So let's take a look at it slide by slide, and you can see we can move from one slide to another. Okay, this is slide by slide, and in case if I need to make any changes, for example, I need to make some changes to the text that I have in here, all I need is to make sure I select the image, and I can come to edit in here, and then I can come to this icon, and I can have, or you can use the grab text. You can click on grab text, and I can see all the text. You can see all text in here, and then I can see grab. So I'm just going to use this as an example. It has grabbed all the text that we have in here, so you can just double click and carry out your basic editings if you need to. Okay, so depending on what you want to edit, you can see all of these sections are editable. You have access to all of this to make some changes however you want them, or you can change coloration also if you're interested. So this is very basic, and you can do that across all the slides. This is just an example on this particular one. And if you are done editing all the components, you can do that with the images as well, with the other elements that you may have. So for example, you can use this image, and you may want to grab this image. So all you need to select the image and go to edit and come over here and say magic grab. Okay, so once you say magic grab, you can use brush, or you can just click, and you can click to grab a section if you're interested. So let's say we want to grab a particular section. Let's select this. You can see we have just grabbed this section. If you like, you can select this also. You can select this. You can select to make sure you have all the other features as well. And as you can see, you can do the same to just grab all the sections. And if you want, you can just say grab. And now all of that features that you've grabbed can now be editable. You can move them if you're interested. So you can see with just one click, you'll be able to move them if you are interested in moving them. Okay, very easily and nice. Okay, depending on what you are interested in. Alternatively, you can do the image grab. You can just click and go to edit, and then you can do magic edit, and you can maybe write to replace this, replace the image with a human in the dam. Yeah, so we can just go ahead and say generate, and let's see what this is actually going to give us. Now you can see that's introduced a man, an engineer in the site, and I think this is good, but you can play around with it however you want it. You get the message. That is it. You can just proceed and be editing the sections, the components as you so wish. And again, if you want to remove any section, also you can alternatively use this crop feature to be able to crop to that end if you want. All right. Oh, can use the crop feature, and then you can be able to crop sections. All right, so once you are done with your basic editing, you can decide to download this directly by clicking on download. You can download in PPTX as well, okay? And it's going to be in PowerPoint. Alternatively, you can present also in Canva, which is sometimes what I encourage people to try and do. You can present in Canva because you have a lot of features that you can play around with. For example, you have this feature that you can be able to showcase, and you can pinpoint things with this arrow tool. Okay, so you can move forward and you can move backward as well. And then down here you can click and you'll be able to make some highlighting. Okay, so you can highlight some sections during your explanation. You can explain it concept by concept. You have this feature to be able to do. You can have the pen icon to draw on things. You can have the highlighter icon to be able to highlight some section of your work. You have quite a lot of basic editing. You can even have the access to magic shortcuts, like you can tell it keep quiet, and then maybe bubbles. You can add bubbles, low effect, for example, to cut off depending, or cutting call or magic draw on your choice. So these are very, very interesting features that you can have access to and you can work with very, very easily. You can even host that mini live. All right, you can share remote control with someone to do the same presentation as well. Basically, you can download or you can present on the Canva platform, but this actually does it on this simple creation and the ease of editing your PowerPoint slide within NotebookLM and even within Canva. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.